Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. How are you? I think you all are well and doing well with your studies. Today I will talk about 4 sculptures of 4 modern Indian sculptors. They are Devi Prasad Choudhury, Kinker, Amarnath, Sehgal and P V Janakiram. So let's start. The word sculpture comes from Latin word sculpere, meaning to carve. It refers to the creation of three-dimensional figures, forms or designs from a single block mass of materials. Or in other words, sculpture is the only branch of the visual arts that is specially concerned with expressive three-dimension form. Sculpture is created in 4 basic ways: carving, modeling, casting, construction or assembling. Materials. Almost any material capable of being shaped in 3 dimensions can be used in sculpting, but some materials like stone, especially hard limestone, wood, clay, metal, ivory and plaster have exceptional plastic attributes and have therefore proved most popular to sculptors from prehistoric times onward. As a result, for most of its history, sculpture has been created using 4 basic methods: stone carving, wood carving, bronze casting and clay firing. Materials employed by 20th century sculptors include secondary materials such as concrete as well as an endless list of modern materials such as stainless steel, fiberglass, aluminium, foam rubber, paper mache, bicycle parts, plastics, stained glass and so on. Types. The basic traditional forms of this 3D art are freestanding sculpture, which is surrounded on all sides by space or it can be seen from all sides. Relief sculpture encompassing bas relief, alto relievo or haute relief and sunken relief, where the design remains attached to a background, typically stone, wood or clay. Dancing Girl of Mohenjo-daro shows free-standing sculpture. Descent of the Ganges of Mamallapuram, Chennai shows relief sculpture. Triumph of Labor. Medium, bronze and cement, artist Devi Prasad Choudhury. It is created in 1954 AD, period modern. Place 1 on the beach of Chennai and 1 prototype at the main gate of NGMA Jaipur House, New Delhi. Here NGMA means National Gallery of Modern Art. Theme or subject matter. The monument is symbolic of human spirit that wins over hardships with united labor. Description: the four laborers engaged in work in a group have been shown in different poses trying to move a huge rock with the help of wooden logs. The pressure falling on the muscles of them has very beautifully been shown with their entire physical anatomy. The straining semi-nude figures reveal the sinews and muscles of their magnificent bodies with universal acclaim. Artist was greatly influenced by the French master sculptor Auguste René Rodin. These are the two views of Triumph of Labor. Santhal family. Medium cement, gravel, sand. Artist Ram Kinker Vaij. It is done in 1938 AD. Period modern. Place Viswabharati Shantiniketan. Theme or subject matter: it is a depiction of a tribal peasant family, a man, a woman, children, and a dog. Description: it's a complex composition of two figures standing side by side, a dog, a child sitting in a basket hanging from a pole. The woman is walking beside the man with a load on her head. It is an entire family in migration. It symbolizes labor migration, and this is a harsh, real picture of a family forced to leave their land by hunger. These are the three views of Santhal family. Cries, Unheard. Medium, bronze. Artist Amarnath Sehgal. It is done in 1958 AD. Period modern. Now it is at the collection of NGMA, New Delhi. Theme or subject matter: artist works primarily revolved around the importance of individual freedom and human dignity and his response to the horrors of political violence. Description: it's a symbolic creation of a family of three figures, the parents and their child, expressing the deep anguish of the sculptor at the injustice prevalent in society. The tall, elongated figures with hollow, distorted faces and hands raised towards the sky are shouting to the world how, through the ages, they have been victims of political and social injustice with no one to hear to their protests. Sehgal believes that it is the responsibility of the artist to make the cries of downtrodden and victimized people heard by the society. These are the three views of the sculpture Cries, Unheard. Ganesha, medium, oxidized copper. Artist P V Janakiram. It is done between 1970 to 80 AD. Period modern. It is at the collection of NGMA, New Delhi. Theme or subject matter: an abstract sculpture of the Hindu god Ganesha. Description: the six-handed dancing figure of Ganesha using the lower two hands to hold the veena and playing it, while four others hold the traditional Sankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma to bear the look of deity incarnation. The sculpture shows some unique feature of plasticity of form, frontality, continuity, and smoothness of surface, and the exquisite ornamentation, as there is a conscious effort to revive the folk art of the South. The placing of the Shankha, Chakra and Gada helps the sculptor move closer to the original of the traditional imagery. The form is not static but gives a hint of movement in his dancing posture. This is the picture of the sculpture Ganesha by P V Janakiram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.